when everyone is waiting for Google's Gemini 3 launch, OpenAI's Sam Altman out of nowhere has launched GPT 5.1 model. And this is not like a crazy big upgrade because the name itself tells you, right? This is just a 0.1 upgradation, and they have specifically improved in instruction following and adaptive thinking. And apart from that, they have also brought up many preset modes like friendly, efficient, professional, those custom instructions which we can tune the model. So here we are having the official blog from OpenAI. You can just go to this particular link and see to it. And here we are having two models of GPT 5.1. One is the instant model and another one is the thinking model. So it's pretty much self-explanatory from the name itself. GPT 5.1 is going to be like the quick response model without thinking much, and GPT 5.1 is going to be the reasoning model. So in case if you're giving a complex task, it's going to think for a while and then only it's going to give the response. And another important point that they have specifically mentioned is GPT 5.1 instant is now warmer by default and more conversational, and they have literally highlighted this with a bold text. And the reason why they have so specifically mentioned this is many users, when GPT-5 was launched, they felt the response to be like too professional and too formal. It missed that soul kind of feeling, and that's the reason why there were a lot of people in Twitter tweeting, I need GPT-4.0 back. It was more like a friend to me, but GPT-5 is like a little AI more than a friend. So to specifically like overcome that, OpenAI have mentioned this particular point, and they have also given an example how good GPT 5.1 instant is in terms of like giving you a much more warmer response. So you can just like go through it, how the response differs between GPT-5 and GPT 5.1 instant. And another example that they have given is for instruction following. So this is the prompt the user is giving: always respond with 6 words. So here GPT-5 has missed that. It has literally like given more than 6 words over here, but here you can see GPT 5.1 instant has followed it. Even though the questions are same, the answer it just gives exactly 6 words, so which is exactly following the user's input instruction without affecting the response. So that's a pretty hard task, and GPT 5.1 instant pulls that with ease. GPT 5.1 instant can use adaptive reasoning to decide when to think before responding to more challenging questions. So if the question is going to be easy one, it just goes with a quick response. If it's more like complex, it can think before responding. And next we are having the GPT 5.1 thinking, and here we are having a comparison between the normal GPT-5 and the GPT 5.1. So the main thing that they have mentioned is GPT 5.1 spends less time on easy tasks and more time on hard tasks. So this is going to give us a much more clarified or accurate result when it comes to complex problems, because when it comes to like easy tasks, already GPT-5 is so good. So they have made an improvement over here. And they have again mentioned this GPT 5.1 thinking's default tone is also warmer and more empathetic. This is the rollout plan. GPT 5.1 instant and thinking will be rolling out from today, starting with paid Pro plus Go and business users, and then to the free and logged out users. So every user is going to get access to these models. After that window, GPT 5.1 will become the sole default model. So it will basically replace the existing GPT-5 model. And they've also said it won't be like available immediately. It could take quite a few days to roll out. And apart from that, they are also going to update GPT-5 Pro to GPT 5.1 Pro soon. And along with the new GPT 5.1 model, here they have given the way to customize ChatGPT's tone and style easily. So they are bringing these many styles that we can customize ChatGPT's response. So we are having the default, professional, friendly and candid. So each user can pick a way how they want to get the response. And what I really feel is, I really like how OpenAI has accepted criticism when many users said the ChatGPT 5 model is not like GPT-4 model. It's not like warmer, it's not friendly, and many people were commenting on it, and OpenAI has taken that feedback into the account, and they have literally implemented that in GPT 5.1. So that's such an amazing thing that they are getting the critic as well as fixing them immediately. So such a great thing, and waiting to test this particular model. And do let me know in the comments what you feel about it. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.